Talofa, my name is Eroni Clarke. I am the Pasifika Engagement Manager at New Zealand Rugby. Today we're here at the Fale O Samoa in Mangere for the naming of the All Blacks for the Irish series. So we're really excited about this, and so we're hopefully seeing our Pasifika boys. Why is it here in Mangere? Why is it here in the Fale Pasifika? Because look at the teams. They are over 50-60% of our young men who are part of the All Blacks, so we want to celebrate them. This is the reason why they want to acknowledge who they are as Pasifika in their communities, and that's what New Zealand Rugby wanted to do, was to connect back the boys and their Pacific communities. That's why we're here today as well. Yes, exciting times, and the more that they can do this acknowledgement of of who we are as Pasifika, I think that's what's really important to acknowledge as well. And it's good New Zealand Rugby are starting to really do that as well. That's so good. We'll cheer on our Pasifika boys as they get named, so that'll be so cool.
Patalawatu le tātou aturu, ne whaibanga le tai au mese lau whaafonga whaatai, mo lea mno tāua, o lea ua whaatasi toi Fale Samoa mo le whalauloina o tātou All Blacks. Big shout out to all our All Blacks fans this morning. This live coming straight to you from the Fale Samoa of Tai.
Welcome everyone, welcome to the naming of the All Blacks today, particularly in this wonderful house of Fale Samoa here in Mangere. But other than that, we're going to have just a really bring in while we're here as our Auckland, that Pasifika feeling. Welcome to all of our communities and our schools as well. So I'm going to quickly get us warmed up. When I say mili, mate, mili. When I say patia, one now, patia. When I say more patia, give me two now, more patia. When I say total fire, give me a. When I say hey, you say hey.
All Blacks, and today we name our first All Black squad of 2022. There'll be nerves, there'll be excitement because we're not too far away, and players will hear their names read for the very first time today on the stream. They'll be watching at the exact same time as you. Before we get into the formalities though, it is now time to get inside.
Series against Ireland in alphabetical order is as follows: Bowden Barrett, Blues and Taranaki; Geordie Barrett, Hurricanes and Taranaki; Scott Barrett, Crusaders and Taranaki; George Bauer, Crusaders and Otahuhu; Sam Kane, Chiefs and Bay of Plenty, All Black captain; Finlay Christie, Blues and Tasman; Caleb Clarke, Blues and Auckland; Dane Coles, Hurricanes and Wellington; Lester Whainganuku, Crusaders and Tasman; Falau Whakatawa, Highlanders and Hawke's Bay; Jack Goodhue, Crusaders and Northland; David Havili, Crusaders and Tasman; Akira Ioane, Blues and Auckland; Rico Ioane, Blues and Auckland; Will Jordan, Crusaders and Tasman; Nipple Laulala, Blues and Counties Manukau; Josh Lord, Chiefs and Taranaki; Richie Moonga, Crusaders and Canterbury; Dalton Papali'i, Blues and Counties Manukau; Stephen Perofeta, Blues and Taranaki; Seven Reese, Crusaders and Tasman; Brody Retallick, Chiefs and Hawke's Bay; Aidan Ross, Chiefs and Bay of Plenty; Ardi Sarvera, Hurricanes and Wellington; Aaron Smith, Highlanders and Manawatu; Hoskin Sotutu, Blues and Counties Manukau; Peter Gus Sowakula, Chiefs and Taranaki; Angus Ta'awa, Chiefs and Auckland; Samasuri Taukeaho, Chiefs and Waikato; Cody Taylor, Crusaders and Canterbury, Carl Tui Nukurawhi, Blues and North Harbour, Roger Tuavasa Shep, Blues and Auckland, Quinn Tupaia, Chiefs and Waikato, Ofa Tunafasi, Blues and Northland, Tupou Vai, Chiefs and Taranaki, and Samuel Whitelock, Crusaders and Canterbury.
South Auckland, what's up? My name is Bailey Mackey. I'm on the board of New Zealand Rugby, and today I got the absolute privilege of naming the All Black squad for 2022. Yeah, thank you. I mean, when I woke up this morning, I didn't think I'd be reading out the All Blacks team, but it was meant to be Dr. Farah Palmer, but she couldn't be here, so look, it's I got that honour, and it's obviously a pretty special time for mainly the 6 new debutants, but also I think just in regards to the country, those are the young men who will go out and represent our team. At the moment we've got the Black Ferns playing in the Pac 4 competition, so obviously it's a pretty big special time for rugby in our country. It's the year of girls and women. We have the Women's Rugby World Cup later in the year, but obviously the focus for the All Blacks will be these 3 tests against Ireland. So hopefully everyone from this part of the world, South Auckland, gets out and supports the team, and look forward to getting behind the boys in black.
I really enjoyed today. It's awesome to see, obviously being in Fale O Samoa, but the All Blacks being named in so many Pacific Islanders being named in that as well, because not only does it inspire our people, but also motivates our youngsters to one day hopefully become All Blacks. So I'm very privileged to have been here today, and looking forward to seeing how the All Blacks go against Ireland. So go the All Blacks!
Today was very nice. I liked how they put the team. For my opinion, Crusaders on top, eh? Crusaders on top. Earlier if they had like Roger, if Broden Barrett was in their team, they would have won, but he went to the Blues.
What school are you from?
Whitecout.
No, you can't do it that way.
Hi, I'm Julia.
Hi, I'm Ayana.
And I'm Mappa. And we're from Beta and Media. One thing I found interesting today was the inspirational speeches that we heard from the people.
What I found interesting about today was I got to meet some people that I've actually never met in real life.
One interesting stuff I found with time was I met new players and that I never met before.
Better to be here.
Thanks, girls.
At my school.
Lovely to see you, and very happy to be here at the All Blacks team naming, and another proud day for Pasifika. Some new Pasifika players of Pasifika heritage have made the All Blacks. Roger Tuivasa Shek and Stephen Perafeta and Peter Gus Sowakula. So very, very happy about that. Thank you, Shirl'e.
Amazing.